In today's video, I'm going to teach you Introduction to Gmail. Learn how to send and receive email. Gmail is Google's popular email service, and by the end of this video you'll feel confident setting it up, sending your first message, and keeping your inbox organized. Let's start with the basics. If you don't have an account yet, head to the Google account sign-up page and create one. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look around. Your inbox is where new messages show up. Sent holds the emails you've sent. Draft saves messages you've started but haven't finished. Spam is where suspicious or unwanted emails are filtered automatically. Getting familiar with these areas makes everything else smoother. Now, composing your first email is simple. Click the Compose button to open a new message window. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address. If you want to copy someone else on the message, use CC. If you want to include someone without revealing their address to others, use BCC. Add a clear subject so the recipient knows what to expect, then write your message in the body. You can use the formatting toolbar to add emphasis or clarity, like bold text, lists, or links. If you need to include a file, click the attachment icon and choose the file from your device. Keep an eye on file size so it uploads quickly. When everything looks good, press send. Receiving and managing emails is just as straightforward. New emails appear in your inbox. Click one to read it. From there, you can reply to the sender or forward the message to someone else if it's useful to them. If the email isn't needed, delete it to keep things tidy. For ongoing organization, labels help you sort messages into categories, much like folders. Apply labels to group similar emails, such as receipts, travel, or projects, so you can find them later without digging. If an email doesn't need to stay in your inbox but you might need it later, archive it. Archiving simply removes it from the inbox view without deleting it, keeping your main view clean while preserving the message. Finally, keep your inbox healthy by dealing with unwanted messages. If you receive something suspicious or irrelevant, mark it as spam so Gmail can filter similar messages in the future. If a specific sender is causing issues, you can block them, which moves their future emails out of your inbox automatically. That's it. You've set up Gmail, learned how to compose and send messages, and explored smart ways to manage what you receive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.